Myself, Prince Alex, postdoctoral researcher working at University of Milan Bicocca, Italy. In this work, we present electrical characteristics obtained using a Planck probe in a simply magnetized toroidal plasma device known as Torello. Here in this device, the plasma is confined purely by toroidal field and hence there exists no rotational transform. Though the conventional MST equilibrium doesn't exist in this device, the device is a perfect testbed to study turbulence, transport and instabilities which are very similar to that of the scrap-off layer of a fission device. The motivation in this way, it is known that the accurate measurement of plasma potential fluctuation is essential for the estimation of local electric field in magnetized plasma devices, which actually controls the plasma flow through E-Crosby drift, and in turn this helps to study the transport phenomena caused by low frequency fluctuation. Typically, the conventional diagnostics based on Langmuir probe, the electron saturation current is much larger than that of ion current, typically around 10 or 20 times larger than that of ion saturation current for low temperature plasma. Hence, the floating potential will remain negative with respect to the plasma potential, and they both differ by approximately an order of few times TE by E. Hence, any change in TE will be reflected in the measurement of plasma potential. Here we demonstrate by using measurements carried out using a Planck probe, which actually float almost close to that of a plasma potential. This is actually made possible by substantial reduction of the electron current using a Planck probe. This enables us to measure the plasma potential more accurately. An ideal Planck probe consists of two cylindrical probes aligned along the magnetic field and equipped with the insulating end plugs, and the probe is aligned parallel to the magnetic field. Due to the finite small Lama radius of electrons, the electron collection is completely prevented by the presence of plug, which act as a preventive screen for the electrons. At the same time, the ions are least affected due to its comparatively large Lama radius, and they are collected in the usual way. Effect of probe orientation is also matters. So in this work, we describe typical Planck probe measurements and its orientation with respect to magnetic field, effect of orientation with respect to magnetic field. In the second part of this work, the feasibility of the Planck probe in the fluctuation measurement is also demonstrated. As we can see in this figure, it shows the characteristics of an ideal Langmuir probe and that of a Planck probe. As it is known, typical Langmuir probe is characterized by this large electron current, whereas Planck probe enables us to reduce the electron current considerably, which results in the shifting of plasma potential as shown here from minus 6.67 to minus 0.68. That is almost close to plasma potential. This figure shows the Planck probe characteristics obtained for different orientation of probe axis with that of a magnetic field. The probes are aligned parallel or perpendicular to that of the parallel magnetic field, A significant reduction in the electron current can be observed when the probe is aligned parallel with the magnetic field. That is, when the probe is aligned less than 15 degree, we can see that the electron current has been considerably reduced and the floating potential has been shifted more close to the plasma potential. For the fluctuation measurement and investigation of basic statistical features of potential fluctuation in Torello using Planck probe. The right-hand side figure shows the PDF of one such fluctuation. It shows that significant deviation from the Gaussian distribution with the strong negative skewness and an exponential t. Left-hand side figure shows the higher order moments estimated along the radial direction of the device. The fluctuations are characterized by negative skewness values when the radial length between minus 20 cm and minus 40 cm, which could be possibly give insight into the presence of intermittent structures present in the system. In fusion device, such fluctuations are often characterized by long-range time correlations. Hence, we use Hess exponent to estimate our fluctuations to get an idea about the self-similarity present in the fluctuation. The Hess exponent values between 0.5 and 1 for potential and as well as floating potential fluctuation indicate long-range correlations in the signal. In a similar way, Planck probe in double Planck probe or triple plug probe combination can be used for accurate measurement of temperature as well as density component measurements. In summary, the feasibility of measuring plasma potential and fluctuations accurately measured using a plug probe is demonstrated in a simply magnetized toroidal device.